Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, integrated turn signal mirrors, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.